How to lock an iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the floating button as shown. From the menu options that appear, tap on Device. Here, select Lock Screen as shown, to instantly lock your iPhone. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Settings application. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down to Auto Lock to adjust how long your iPhone waits before locking. As shown, change the setting from 1 minute to 30 seconds for quicker security. Now, go back to the main settings page and scroll down to tap on Face ID and passcode. You will be prompted to enter your current passcode to proceed. On this page, you can manage your security settings. After entering your passcode, scroll down and find the Require Passcode option. Here, ensure that the Immediately option is selected for better security. Following these steps, you can easily lock your iPhone.